What questions should you be asking regarding your finances? Do you even know where to begin? Discover some of the steps you can take to guide you in saving for the future. It is possible to achieve financial independence, but you won't get there overnight. It takes creating a plan and sticking to it. Following these 6 steps can guide you, and you can apply them throughout your life. It's never too late to start, but there's no time to waste. One question to ask yourself is, what are my financial goals? Examples of goals are saving for college, planning for retirement, or saving up for a major purchase. It's important to have goals so you can work out a successful strategy to achieve them, and these 6 steps can help you. Step 1. Cash flow. Understand your cash flow. Get control of your money and manage your expenses by spending less than you earn. Create a budget to help with this. You may also look at earning additional income. Something part-time could eventually become a full-time occupation. Step 2. Debt management. There are several options for consolidating and eliminating your debt. Knowing your full financial picture will aid you in saving and reducing your debt. Speak with a financial professional to figure out what option is best for you and your situation. If you made some mistakes, that's okay. Learn from them and know what not to do next time around. You can fix past mistakes and learn from them to make forward progress. Step 3. Emergency fund. Create an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' income to prepare for any unexpected expenses that may come up. Step 4. Proper protection. Ensure you have proper protection with life insurance. Protecting what matters most is an essential part of any financial plan. You will want to protect your loved ones against loss of income in case of unexpected job loss or any medical emergency. You will also be able to protect any assets you have. There are different types of life insurance, and keeping an up-to-date policy is important. Step 5. Build income. You may build wealth in many ways, such as increasing your income or looking at investment options. To increase your income over time, you have some choices. You may save money you earn, and you may also put money into various assets. An example may be real estate. Learn about the concept known as the Rule of 72, which is an estimation of the time it takes for money to double. The Rule of 72 can work for you, however, it can also work against you in the form of credit card debt. Step 6. Preserve savings. There are many ways to keep more of what you've earned. WFG offers a variety of insurance and financial services from top providers, and an agent can guide you through these to select the products and policies that may work best for you and your loved ones. There are plenty of tools that can help make your path to financial independence smoother. The right tool for the right job makes things easier and allows you to monitor your progress. To improve your financial knowledge and resilience, visit worldfinancialgroup.com to connect with one of our agents.